Rose family, it's your girl Serenity Rose, and we're back with another video. And as you guys can tell by the title, we are doing a Empties video. So if you guys want to see what I have for Empties, then just keep on watching. So here is my bag of Empties, full to the top once again, as per usual. So let's get right into it. So the first thing I'm going to pull out is a repeat item. I go through this item quite frequently and it always ends up in my Empties, and I'm not afraid to keep on talking about it because it's just that good. So I have the Run Pure Tea Tree Mint Invigorating Body Wash. This is either like my third or fourth or fifth bottle of this. This thing is huge. It's like the size of my freaking head. And when I use this, it feels like heaven. Like I feel super fresh and tingly and minty. And it just does a really good job at lathering and getting the body nice and clean. This product has 0 sulfates, parabens, dyes, gluten, phthalates, propylene, and glycol. So it says it all right there. 0, all of those bad things that's bad for you. And this stuff is really good, and I highly recommend. And this big bottle is only $5 at Walmart, so go check it out and thank me later. The next thing that I have is from St. Ives. This is their Soft Skin Avocado and Honey Scrub. This is basically a facial exfoliator. On the back it says the exfoliation factor from gentle to deep, it is moderate, which is like right in the center. This is paraben free, dermatologist tested, and oil free. I like that. I use this when I'm in the shower. I just exfoliate while my hair is being conditioned and I'm, rubbing soap and getting clean. I will exfoliate while everything sinks into my body and I'm getting clean, and then rinse everything off. And that is how I use this product, and I've used it all up. I am on the hunt for another facial exfoliator. I don't know, I'm really into exfoliating my face. I feel like it, just really leaves my skin, refreshed. And like if I'm taking away a layer of dead skin, that's good because it's all fresh and new. So facial exfoliators are really good in my opinion. I'm on the hunt for another one. I might repurchase this brand, but maybe like a different scent or something, but this was good while it lasted. So next is shampoo and conditioner. These are from Garnier Fructis. This is from their Pure Clean line, I think. This has aloe extract in it, and it's silicone free and paraben free, and it's a vegan formula. And yeah, this is what the bottles look like. They're 2 different sizes. I have run out of the opposite sizes for both of them. Like I had the bigger conditioner size, and I had the smaller shampoo size, and I've ran out of both of them. And I really like this shampoo and conditioner. It leaves my hair feeling really nice, soft, silky, like fresh and healthy. And when I straighten it, it looks really good. So I really like this, and I try to look for stuff to use in my hair that isn't, so harmful. So the fact that it's silicone free and paraben free is a plus for me, and it also has aloe extract in it. So I can only assume that that is good for my hair, and it was good while it lasted, but I'm into something new. So yeah. The next thing I have is the e.l.f. Dewy Setting Mist. I have a backup already in my drawer that is open and in use. This stuff is really good, but I will say that the first one I got, which was this one, the sprayer on this was amazing. It was super fine and super gentle on the skin, and when it sprayed, it was really nice and even. Now the second one that I purchased was horrendous. Like it spritz way too harsh and way too directly into and onto the face. So it's hit or miss. Some people may get a good sprayer and some people may not. I got a good and a bad one. I personally still like this product itself. It does leave a nice little dewy look to the skin. It doesn't mattify your skin in any type of way. So I really do like it. If you get a harsh one, just spray further away. And if you get a fine one, spray from the regular distance. But overall, this is a good product. And I want to say this is either $6 or $8 at the drugstore. So if you haven't tried it, try it. It's a really good, affordable setting spray. The next product that I have is from Neutrogena. It is a skincare product. This is the Hydro Boost Hydrating Cleansing Gel. It says that it boosts hydration for soft, supple skin, effectively removes makeup and impurities, and this does have hyaluronic acid, and it is dermatologist recommended. And this is what the product looks like. It's super cute. I love the blue packaging. Now, when I was using this product, it does a really good job at taking off the makeup and leaving your freaking face super cleansed, and like, it's a really good, affordable drugstore cleanser. Now, again, I have been branching out and trying other cleansers. So when I run out of those, if I don't have anything else new that is sent to me or that I purchased, I will definitely repurchase this. It's super affordable. And again, this does an amazing job at cleansing the face. So I have a pair of my favorite lashes from AOA Studio, which is from Shop Miss A website. If you don't know what it is, it's like a dollar store online. So super affordable. Now these lashes are $1.88 and these are in the style Lydia. These are my favorite lashes from this website. They're super dramatic. I'm wearing a pair right now. I have backups for days and they are just super, super pretty. They just complete a look, very dramatic. But these were toast. There was a lot of dirt on them. There was glitter in the actual lash themselves. So I was like, it's time to give these up. I use these at least 10 times, if not more. So $1.88 for at least 10 uses out of these. Do I even need to say anymore? You guys know I rave about these all the time and they're just amazing. They don't bother me, you know, to each his own. Like, I don't feel them on my eye sometimes. But if you're looking for a good long curly-ish lash that, you know, completes a dramatic look while still, you know, showing the actual eye look, then I highly, highly recommend. Next, I have this travel size Rave 4x Mega Unscented Hairspray. This is really good to go like traveling. It's super small, super cute. I don't travel a lot, so I just got the small one. I think my mom gave it to me, but I used it up and this stuff is really good. Like, this holds your hair in place. I really just use hairspray for my baby hairs, and on the off chance that I really want my curls to stay curly and wet looking, I will use hairspray, gel, and mousse and all that other good stuff. But overall, this product was really good. And I can definitely see myself purchasing the full size down the road. The next empty that I have is from Bella Pierre. This is their banana setting powder. This is the second one of these that I have gone through. This is like their mini size, I want to say. And as you can see, there is nothing left in there. This is one of my favorite setting powders. Anytime I receive it as a sample or in a beauty subscription, I always enjoy it and use it right up because it is so fine and has such a nice yellow tint to it that it just, for me and for my tone and undertone, it just works really nicely and completes the look, and it doesn't feel too drying or anything. It doesn't get cakey. So super good product, and I might be purchasing the full size. So I have another product from AOA Studio, and this is their Skinny Underlash Mascara. And this stuff is completely out. I've used the crap out of it, and let me explain to you why. Do you see how thin that brush is? I definitely want to purchase a few backups, and then for my next giveaway, I might purchase another extra to throw in there because this stuff is so good, especially for the lower lashes. Like, if you can tell, I did get mascara on my, like, where the eyeshadow is, and it was because the wand that I was using was way too fat and way too big, so it's obviously going to transfer. But anytime that I used the Skinny Underlash Mascara, it never transferred and it coated my lashes perfectly fine. So super good product that I'm going to be repurchasing, and I'm pretty sure this is just $1, so highly, highly recommend. The next thing that I have is from ColourPop. This is their Precision Brow Pencil. I'm not even going to go in depth with this product because you guys know this is my favorite all-time eyebrow pencil. I have a backup that I have to open and throw in my collection, but this is all done, all gone. Let me show you. Like, I can't even turn it anymore. Nothing will come out, and I really like the spoolie on it. It's super small and fine and gets the job done. This brow pencil is great. Go check out any of my videos where I use it. You guys will see why I love this pencil so much. The next product is from e.l.f. This is their 16-hour Camo Concealer in the shade Tan Sand. In, I want to say, maybe my last video or one of my previous videos, I used this. I think it was like a everyday makeup drawer video. And you can see that there is nothing left in here. This concealer is so good, but I did recently pick up the hydrating one, and I definitely do prefer that one more. Although I am combo and oily in my T-zone, the hydrating one doesn't dry as quick and doesn't feel as drying as the original formula, but this concealer was everything, and I'm happy that I ran through it. Like, I love running through my makeup products because it makes me feel like I'm utilizing as much as I can for my collection, and that is the ultimate goal. I don't want to keep purchasing makeup or have this makeup and just let it sit there and go to waste. So I'm happy that I ran through this concealer. Super good. And if you are looking for something that is similar to Tarte Shape Tape but more affordable, I highly recommend this one. I think it was only like $6, and trust me, this is definitely a dupe for the Tarte Shape Tape. The next empty that I have is from Smashbox. This is their Super Fanned Out Mascara in the shade Black. And let me just show you what the brush looks like. It's super spiky. This mascara is really, really good for like separating your lashes and giving them a lot of length, but it does not give you any type of volume. And the bristles on this brush are super like pointy. I have jabbed my eye a few times and it definitely made me like tear because it hurt a lot. So just be careful if you're into this mascara because of the lengthening aspects or properties, then go for it. But just be careful because it will poke an eye out, or at least make you cry. So overall, I did enjoy using this mascara, but would I repurchase? Probably not. Next, I have a brow pencil from L'Oreal. This is their Brow Stylist pencil, I think. It is way too short for me to even read the rest of the name. As you can see, it just says Brow Stylist on it, so I can't even tell you what it is, but it's basically a wooden brow pencil, and it comes with like a wax thing on the other side, or I'm gonna say it's wax because I don't think it's like a concealer because it doesn't have any pigment to it. So this stuff was really good when I first got into makeup. This was one of the first products that I got for my eyebrows, and it got the job done, but I am on to bigger and better things. I definitely have found better affordable formulas as far as the drugstore goes, and this just wasn't it, but it is affordable, and if you're just getting into makeup, I would recommend it because it's really easy to work with. It doesn't come with a spoolie, but it comes with like this toothbrush shaped type of brush on the cap, and you can just use it to brush out your eyebrows. So yeah, if you're new, I recommend it, but if not, definitely go for like the Maybelline Precision brow pencil that they just came out with. That is super good and affordable as well from the drugstore. So I have this Aesthetica Pro Series brush cleanser and conditioner. I received this in my BoxyCharm. I do have a backup because the one that they sent me came with a cut here and it was like spilling out, so that was very wasteful. So BoxyCharm sent me a backup, but I don't like this product at all and I don't recommend. I literally had to use the whole entire tube, and on one like time of cleaning my brushes, and it didn't even clean my brushes the right way. Like, there was still dirt. I would use this, clean it, it looked pretty clean, but then I used my regular Dawn dish soap and so much more dirt came out of my brushes. It was disgusting. So I don't recommend this. This product is trash, and just don't waste your money on it. Next, I have a deodorant. This is from Suave. This is their 24-hour protection deodorant in Tropical Paradise. I think I used one of these up, but the like scent was powder. I think they're okay. They get the job done. I always have like a deodorant in every room so that whenever I'm getting ready for work, I could just have a deodorant anywhere I'm at, ready to use, and that way I could just walk out the door. So I have one in my bathroom, one in my beauty room, one in my bedroom. And it just so happened that I was using this up more than I thought, and it's out of, I'm done with it, and it does smell good. Would I repurchase? Probably, because I need one for my bathroom now, but it's an okay deodorant. Nothing crazy, super affordable, super cheap. So if you're into that, then I guess. Next is the Dr. Wellness Micellar Water Facial Cleansing Wipes. This comes with 60 wipes. I got this from Marshall's for like $3.99 or $2.99. Not bad. These were pretty good. They did a really good job at removing my makeup. I don't only use makeup wipes to remove my makeup. If you haven't seen my skincare routine, the nighttime version, I will leave it linked up here. This is like one of the first steps to my makeup removal. but this was pretty good. It did take quite a bit of makeup off, and if I could find another one of these, I would definitely purchase it again. The ones that I purchased from Marshall that I'm using right now are not so great, but I'm still going to use them because I spent money on them, so I'm using them. Last but not least is a sheet mask. You guys know I've had the same sheet mask in my like everyday drawer for like ever now, and I finally used 1 out of 2 of them. This one is from Bio Republic. This is their Aloe Rescue Mask. It's a revitalizing fiber sheet mask, and you're supposed to use it after the sun. It just comes with 1 single sheet mask, but this was so lovely to use. If I could find another one, I would definitely repurchase, because when I was done using this, you basically wear the mask and relax for 15 to 20 minutes. When you take it off, you rub in the excess. And when I tell you that my face has never felt so hydrated, I mean, like, wow. This mask did it. And I did my makeup afterwards, and it went on like flawless, like smooth canvas flawless. So highly recommend. If you see it, you should purchase it. This is what it looks like. It says Aloe Rescue, and it does say like Bio Republic somewhere on the top. I actually found the top piece, so this is what the mask looks like. It says Bio Republic right on the top, and it has like water and flowers on it and a sun. So if you see it, just buy it. It's good. So that brings this video to an end. That is all the empties that I have and my thoughts on them. If you enjoyed, drop a thumbs up. Comment down below anything that you thought about anything. No, comment down below anything you want. If you have any of these products or anything, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you guys go. We'd love to have you guys join the Rose family before you go. And we are almost to 500 subscribers. And once we reach 500, there will be another giveaway. And I will announce that giveaway as soon as we hit 500 subscribers. And there will be an even bigger giveaway once we hit 1,000. So please make sure that you hit that subscribe button before you go. Also the notification bell, so that you can stay notified anytime I upload. I upload Monday through Friday, 10 a.m. Just in case you didn't know, I am trying to stay consistent. I have been sticking with this schedule for the past 2 to 3 months now, or maybe a little bit longer, and I personally enjoy it. So yeah, on that note, I hope you guys are having an amazing day or night wherever you guys are, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.